Hello children, in this video we are going to study Mathematics chapter 11 Lines and Lines, page number 86. Children, we have seen that there are straight lines and curved lines. Now, today we will see fun with lines. Jigyasa has a clock. She can read the time written in numbers and also the day. What is the time here children? 12:30. And what is the day here? Day of the week is Thursday. The numbers and letters are made with straight lines. Children, if you look at the numbers here and the letters here, they are made with straight lines. Jigyasa made more numbers and letters with used matchstick. Children, here she made the use of used matchstick and she tried to make some more numbers and letters. See children, this is A, this is B, this is 9, this is 8. Now children, you too have to collect used matchstick, have fun making numbers and letters with this. Now children, here instead of matchstick I have made numbers using lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the numbers made using lines. Similarly children, here are the letters using lines. Letters are made using lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these letters are made using lines. Now children, is there any number or letter that you cannot make with matchstick? No, there is no such number or letter that we cannot make with matchstick. We can make every number and letter with the help of matchstick. Now children, write some numbers using straight lines. Now children, see here 0, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. This is 0. Now children, just one standing line, 1, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line and again sleeping line. This is number 2. So in this way you can make numbers using straight lines. Now children, write about writing letters using straight lines. Which ones are easy? Just now I have shown you children letters using straight line. Now among those, which ones are easy children? E, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, again standing line and then again sleeping line. Children, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. We get the letter H. Now children, find out where else numbers and letters are written with straight lines. Calculator, clock, we see the numbers and letters are written with straight lines. Now children, dancing lines. Ramya saw a traffic policeman giving direction to vehicles. So this is the traffic policeman and he is giving direction to vehicles. Does the traffic police sometimes makes a curved lines? Yes, the traffic police sometimes makes a curved line when there is a green signal, and that times the traffic policeman make curved lines. Now children, Ramya tried to act like a traffic policeman. She made many straight and curved lines, and it was fun. It looked like dance. Now children, try the dance steps given below and enjoy with Ramya. So these are the dance steps shown with the help of lines. Children, several classical dance forms such as Bharatanatyam and Odissi use geometrical movements. Make the use of lines. Now children, designs with dots. Join the dots with curved or straight lines and make your own design. Now children, here I have made 2 designs. You can make many more designs of your own. Now children, lines in pictures. Nancy saw these pictures made by folk artists. Look for different types of lines here. Curved lines, standing, slanting and sleeping lines. Now children, here this activity you have to do on your own. See children, this is what type of line? Slanting line. This is sleeping line. This is standing line. Here these are curved lines. In this way you have to identify from here curved lines, standing line, slanting line and sleeping line. Draw some more pictures like this. So children, here we have completed the lesson lines and lines. Bye children.